Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Cyan, and today I'm super excited because I just got an email saying that something that I ordered about a week ago is finally here, and I'm gonna go check. Just gonna open that up. There it is. Yes. Okay, there's a sneak peek. Okay, we're gonna bring it back inside. Alright you guys, so here's the deal. One of my best friends from college, Laney, runs her own company called Shallocat, using Etsy as her main platform. She has a whole line of t-shirts, tops, hats, bags, anything you can imagine, onto which she embroiders her own designs, which she has hand-drawn and then put into the computer and converted into a file that her machine can understand. Literally goes and embroiders everything herself, and it turns into this amazing product which she puts online and sends out to you and me. So today I'm gonna open what I ordered from her about last week. She works so hard, and so shipping is super fast. I got really excited when I got the email saying that it was delivered. Yeah, I'm gonna unbox this right now. Okay. Oh no, I didn't mean to rip that. Whatever, I'm gonna go for it. There it is. You can see. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so there's a little note in there. Oh my gosh. Look, so she has these stickers. Look how cute that is. And then she has a little note. She's an angel. I cannot wait to see her again next year. We're living in the same dorm again, so that'll be a lot of fun. All right, so here's the top. Look, already I can see. She has her own labels. Look at the stitching. It's rainbow and so dainty and pretty and cute. All right, let's unpack this. Let's go. There we go. This is so cute. This looks so good. I'm so happy. I love this design so much, and it's so well done. You can just see like the quality of the stitching. All right, so basically for this video, I'm going to be trying on different outfits that I can match with this top and show you guys how I would style this outfit. I am so excited, and once again, thank you so much, Laney, for sending me this, and keep working hard. You are doing amazing things. So let's get into it. Right now, I'm just kind of wearing this top with a pair of shorts. This would be kind of like my most basic outfit. It's actually already kind of cute. I don't know, I'm feeling it. So this is like, I'm trying to look cute. I just got out for class and I'm trying to get out of here. This top is so comfortable. I can just put on this tank, super easy, super cute, and a pair of shorts. All right, so now I've paired the top with some higher waisted jeans. It's super cute because the top comes pretty high on my waist. If you want something that covers a little bit more, a high-waisted jean is always a good idea. I was also thinking about maybe playing a little bit with primary colors, since there's this like really cute little red detail, and I was thinking that I could make that pop by adding some other primary colors and kind of bringing that feature out a little bit more. So I have this jacket. This outfit is more for like, it's kind of colder outside, but like not that cold, so you kind of want to layer. That's kind of a huge thing for me in college, is the layering aspect, because classrooms can get really cold, and so you want to bring your jacket just in case. Another thing I noticed is how cute this top looks on metallics, and so I found this like jacket in my closet that has pink metallic and gray. And so like you could even just like pair it with this. I'm kind of a huge advocate for trying weird new stuff. Like I found this tutu skirt type thing. It's kind of a vibe, I don't know. This is the most versatile piece that I probably have right now, and I could probably wear it whenever I want to, whenever I need to, on top of anything. So yeah, I am so happy with it. It is so cute. All right, everyone, so thank you so much for watching. Don't mind that my like hair has changed tremendously during the whole video. I like just washed it. I think the most beautiful thing about a black crop top is that It literally can pair with anything, and I'm happy with this one because it's a little bit more unique than regular ones that I could find at any store. This is literally created by one of my best friends, and it was handmade, and there's so much care put into it, and so I'm super happy with it. Thank you so much to Laney. Also, if you guys want anything from her store, as you should, please go check it out right now. The link is in the description box. This is gonna be Laney's last summer working on this, so as she gets back into the school year, it will be closing its doors, kind of like the end of a long chapter for her. So that also means that there is currently a 30% off sale going on. Please check it out. It's such a good deal. If you want to support a young artist, this is the way to do it. Look how cute this is. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am very appreciative of your time. I'm going to be producing a lot of content this coming summer, so if you want to stay updated, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you have any ideas or tips or have any questions, then feel free to leave that in the comment section below. I check all of your comments, and so I'll be trying to answer them or use your suggestion in a video. So yeah, I really appreciate it. Hit like if you like the content so that I know I can make more. And yeah, please have an amazing day. Go look at Shallocat, and thank you. Peace out.